Alright, David here, and now I'm going to talk a little bit about trash collection. So basically, you have first human pointing over here, and then we could also do first human equals null. So after we set it to something, set it to this object over here, this terrible writing, and I need a new color, need a brighter color. I haven't used this red before. Or this green. Maybe I have. It looks very similar. Don't I know you? Anyways, first human equals null. So basically, Java Virtual Machine's like, okay, create this object, and we'll reference it using this variable. And then we're gonna be like, oh no, we're just gonna take this variable and we're just gonna set it equal to nothing for now. And basically, this link is broken by this code. And now this guy's floating off into space. He's still there in memory. And the program, Java Virtual Machine is like, all right, I just have this object. It is trapped. Nothing's pointing to it. There's no way to access it, and it's just sitting here. So, and it's taking up memory space. Memory space is important. So basically, once it decides, oh well, it's time for that object to go, it will delete it. And it basically decides when it's time to go when nothing is pointing to it. So there's no variables referencing it or anything like that. And it just kind of like flutters away into nothingness. And the memory is reused for something else. So that's basic data trash collection. And I'll show you I can't show you how trash collection really works, because if I could do that, if I could show you where the object existed and then stopped existing, well then Java Virtual Machine kind of wouldn't be doing its job, because if you ever needed to call it back in code and it accidentally quote unquote trash collected it, you'd be in a mess. To more experienced programmers, that probably makes a little bit more sense, or people who really just like common sense and logic and like complex logic. Anyways, in the next video, I'll show you a little something.